Hi, my name is Max and this is my FMOD sound design and implementation reel. For this project, I used equipment at my disposal for the majority of the sound design, pairing it with free and paid sound libraries when needed. I profiled the game and started with our main character, Ellen. I recorded her footsteps on different materials along with some water for the puddle terrain. Cloth flapping for the jump event emphasizes Ellen moving through air, and it is stopped on each landing inside FMOD. I guided Alice in the vocalization of her efforts while she swings her alien staff. This level is a cave map, so I recorded some water droplets and plastic clamps which serve as rock debris. Some special ambiances had to be done for the map, like this acid pool and some fauna for the central room. I made a simple sea sound FM patch for the birds. The player's goal is to get to the evac point, platforming and opening different doors. All of this while fighting the Champas. This dog-like creature might seem cute, but it definitely packs a punch. We have to fight the final 2 mag golem bosses before we extract. It can throw grenades, melee attack, and it defends its weak point with a shield. As its back is the only way to kill it, we can use it to give the player a hint by using a cone attenuation for the engine sound. Alright, it's time to evac. Thanks for watching.